YouTube, it's Queen Pam Elon QP here, and I have just finished the Create and Connect um, 2021 virtual card class put on by Pink Fresh Studios. I showed you the kits that we got in a previous video, but here are the cards that I made. This one was the first class from Clarissa Wiley, and it was a bit fast paced. And they were like, you can go back and watch later. Okay. I was able to just barely keep up, but I'm a fast crafter. I'm always the one finish first. Then the second class was Emily Midget, and it was watercolor. And I liked my cards, but the class was entirely too fast paced. If you have never played with watercolor before, there was no way for you to keep up or to even really grasp what she was doing. But I have watercolored before, so I was able to barely keep up. And I really won't say I kept up. I probably, while she was doing some things, I was still watercoloring. And then this one was Heather from Pink Fresh, and it was with Washi, and we had a lot of time in this class, which I was glad for because it felt like I was running a race in the other two classes, and I didn't like that feeling. But this one was very well paced, nice and slow. We even got to do the third card, which I haven't finished yet. We were able to do the coloring and stamping and die cutting, and I'll put it together when I get some more craft time. I like both of those. This one was Leah's class, and it was today, and we made these two cards. Pace was lovely. Love how relaxed it was. I felt um, more comfortable with this class, and I absolutely adore the cards. Last two class, Laura Fedora. Um, Typical to Laura's style, there was a lot of um, extraneous conversation that had nothing to do with the class. Um, I try not to say anything that's not nice. So we made these two cards. This one's a shaker card. She did a blended background with stripes. That wasn't to my liking, so I used the stencils that came for the class and blended the background real quick while she was doing stripes. That was the second card, and this was the first card where we did use the stencil. So I had, some of my stuff already there. And so overall, I was very happy with the the kit product that we received was of great value. There was one class, this one where the stencils, a lot of people's stencils were damaged, but we made it work anyway, and that's okay. There were three stencils that had a word that you could blend, but if you can see that all of the loops, that little connection in between there was very, very small, and so it was damaged. But and in fact, this Y was even missing the loop, so I put some paint on it to mimic the loop. But like I said, the value for the kit and the instruction was good. Now, here's my problem with it. It's on Facebook, and the videos will only stay up for 6 months. I think they should stay up lifetime. Anytime you pay for a class, you should have lifetime access to it. So those are my two complaints. And the speed of two of the classes, these two, the rest of the classes were paced well. So they had an opening ceremony. That time should have been given to these two classes so that we would not have been rushed and the instructor could have slowed down and actually taught the class a little better. As always, I leave you in the hands of the creator. So overall, I'll do this again when they do it again. I will. Thanks. Be blessed.